How to Get Rescued with Josh Pickles. This is Josh, and he's stranded on an island in the middle of nowhere. Looks like he forgot to tie up his canoe, so Josh will need to be rescued. It seems like he has an idea. What's this? A rescue message for aircraft to see? Good idea. But you should have made it a tad bigger there. Oh well, a beer will help. Now what do you have in mind? Some fireworks to act as rescue flares. This could work. You should probably aim into the air. It doesn't look like anyone saw those. Be patient though, someone will come. And a beer. Not sure where he keeps finding these. That's a long swim. Are you sure you can make it? There he goes. And it looks like he won't make it. Oh dear. But at least he has a beer. Good luck, Josh, and good night.